I got the glow light fuses. When they pop, they illuminate.
Smart glow fuse here that I'm going to demonstrate for you, that I'm going to sacrifice for your cause so you would see how these work. This is a regular fuse in every way. It will burn out at the appropriate rated amperage, and it has an LED across the contacts in the top. So when you short it out, which I'll do in just a second, you'll see that there's a little red LED that comes on. You can see it blinking there. I've shorted this one out, and now you can see the LED. So if this was put in your fuse panel, why, when that fuse blew, that little LED would come on. So that's something to make it a little bit easier to diagnose electrical problems. You may want to change your fuses over. Check at your local auto parts store. Ask for a smart glow fuse, and they will know what you mean.
It's a blackout plate. Kind of defeats the purpose of having illuminated fuses. So I got some plexiglass. I'm going to put that there. But I need to take up the gap so no air or dust gets inside there. Using a washer so this thing will move. Okay, that tells me what it is, or anybody else that needs to work on it. I'm looking for fuses that are popped. Just slide this up. It's secure, it's airtight, and I'm happy with it. Clear view of all the fuses. It's plastic, it's covered. This tells me what it is, or anybody else that's working on it. I think I just repeated myself. It's called getting old. Cleaned up all the wires on here. This part is finished. Okay, my friends, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao for now.